Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and we got the Viper 90 out here. It's going to be my first EDF jet flight since I got my eyes done with the cataract surgery, and I got my fingers crossed everything's going to go pretty good. I'm clear at this end of the parking lot because we do have a slight breeze coming out of the south, and we're going to come in over these trees to bring it in for a nice smooth landing. Fingers crossed. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, I am in low rates. We will go one click on the flaps for the takeoff. Got plenty of room to take off. The sun is up here about, I would say that's about 2 o'clock for me. And yeah, let's do it. Let's get this thing in the air. Nice gentle takeoff. Nice hard bank. Easing off the throttle as we level out. Gears should be going up. Still got the flaps in there, helping me bring it around. I'm a little over half throttle. Alright, flaps going up. And as I said, I am in low rates, but still pretty decent for this plane. Nice roll. I am getting pretty deep on these turns just because of the sun. In fact, let's stay over this end, over the pond, just for a second. Try to bring this around a little tighter. There we go. Full speed pass. Easing out for the turn. I haven't noticed any bad tendencies with the wing on the 90 like the 70, but let's not encourage it. I am flying with the 5000 in there today. I like to keep that weight just a little bit lower for these Vipers. I used to try and pack as much battery as I could, thinking, oh, I'm gonna get a better flight time, but I don't think that's accurate. And it just handles the weight a lot better if it's lighter. The landings are so much easier, and you don't have that tendency for the nose to drop. Keeping a nice low turn because of the sun. We get down here past the shed and we'll take it up into a loop. It's a nice high loop. Coming out kind of low, but not too bad, just because it's in a distance a little bit higher so I don't get my vision blocked by trees or anything. Trying to make sure it doesn't sink on me there. I'll take it out just a little bit farther. Kind of getting ready for a landing, but kind of not. Nice inverted pass. Carrying full speed into the turn inverted. Letting it really go out there. And we'll bring it back around. The ESC warning just was alerting because I was going full throttle. Timer saying 1 minute. But this pass, we'll go ahead and look at the gear. There they are. They look good. And we'll take it around nice and easy. And as we get it lined up, maybe not too easy here. Let's go one click on the flaps now. And as I get it straightened out, we'll have to come back around full here. Nice and slow into the wind, so like that. Try not to bank too hard with the flaps on the gear down. It did lose a little bit of its aerodynamics when that happens. Here we go, coming back into the wind and going full on the flaps. Coming between the trees here. And we're on the ground. And a hard turn, no. But it stopped. I'll be able to pick that up and bring it back over here. Yeah, that felt pretty good for shaking off the rust. It's been quite a while since I've flown EDF. Let's go pick it up. So guys, the Viper didn't disappoint again today. Man, I just love flying this Viper 90. It just handles so good. Brought it right between those trees with no problem. Even with the slight breeze, lined up perfectly. Touchdown nice, no bounce. Even with the 5,000 in there. I did run out of landing space, so I need to get that reverse thrust set up probably. But for the most part, the Viper did great. Beautiful, beautiful day. Big thanks to the Lord for that. And I appreciate all your guys' support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.